Today I want to talk to you about colors, specifically colors in Asana. If you look at a project like this, the first thing you see is all the red you have everywhere in the columns, and the orange and the yellow and the blue. And the last thing that you actually see is the overdue task we have at the top, which is, in my opinion, the most important information we have on the screen there. Why on earth would you have colors for a function? Why would you have marketing as red? Why would you have recruiting as green? It doesn't make any sense. Colors have a meaning. Red is usually a problem, green is usually a good thing, and yellow and orange are usually between those. I know that when you create a custom field, Asana will give you default colors. This one I don't have access, but if you can access another field, you'll see that you have default colors given to you by Asana. And very often they are pretty random. It creates this kind of a rainbow that doesn't make any sense. So really make sure that you're only using colors if they make sense, or if you know exactly what you're doing. Sometimes, for example, for a timeline, you do want to have the swim lane with a specific color. In that case, it's fine. In most cases, it doesn't make any sense, and it actually gets your attention away from what's important within the project. If we look at another one, for example, this one, what does that mean to have the in work in yellow? It actually catches your attention for something that is actually ongoing. It doesn't make any sense either. I can understand the green one, even though I would rather have something that doesn't have any color, because if it's completed and the task is actually completed, you don't want to draw the attention to the task itself. It has been completed, right? Same thing applies to the priority level. This is the default priority level custom field that Asana created. Why would you have such a catchy color on a low priority? A low priority should have 0 colors. You shouldn't be able to see it. It should be hidden. You shouldn't have your attention caught by such a color on a custom field. So really make sure to use the colors accordingly and according to the meaning you want to give the color, and you'll see that right away your project will be nicer to use, and what's important will actually pop out instead of having everything pop out as a rainbow in all the project. I hope I convinced you to rework your colors on your custom fields. Have a good day.